13-year-old girl goes missing in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
An Ananda alert has been activated for 13-year-old Ashley Wilson of Two River District in St. Andrew, who has been missing since Friday, July the 12th. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Lawrence Tavern police station are that around 10:30 a.m., Ashley was last seen at home wearing a purple top, jeans pants, and a pair of purple slippers. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Ashley Wilson has been asked to contact the Lawrence Tavern police station at 876-942-6322, the police 119 emergency numbers, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.